Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. What does the year 2020 hold for vrishabh individuals? As every year ends, we start asking ourselves what the next year holds for us. The vrishabh rashifal 2020 predictions reveal that this year will hold a lot of blessings, faith, and hope for vrishabh natives. Blessings will come flowing from all corners. The past years have been heartbreaking and disappointing for you. This year will give you hope since things will start going your way. Your finances will improve, and your love life will be better than in the past years. The career will still dwindle a bit, but towards mid-year, everything will become stable. 2020 career predictions. In the past, you have had issues with your career. Every time you try and do something different, it came crumbling down on you. However, this year will be different. You will start your career development at a low level in January, but by June 2020 everything will begin picking up. Your fellow employees will help you in applying your knowledge in the areas you are not well equipped in at the workplace. Vrishabh Rashi will also include some of their hidden talents in the work they do for a positive feedback. According to the 2020 Vrishabh Rashi forecast, you cannot achieve success on your own. Hence, the need for the help of your family members and friends. Those who are looking for jobs this year will still be at it since job opportunities are still on the low. Vrishabh Rashi 2020 forecasts for health matters do not worry you a lot, but this year you will have to worry. The health predictions for vrishabh rashifal foretell that you will be prone to illnesses such as food poisoning, constant headaches, and the cold during cold and rainy seasons. It will be up to you to ensure that you eat fresh foods and fruits that have been thoroughly washed. You will have to seek medical attention anytime that you feel sick to the stomach. Keeping physically fit will enable your body to regain strength that it has lost over the years. Be careful during the 2020 Mercury retrograde. 2020 Vrishabh Rashi Finance Horoscope. Based on 2020 Bhavishya Rashi, your finances this year will improve. You will get a pay raise at the workplace which will increase your earnings. In the past years, you resorted to some small business which started at a loss, but this year they will gain profits immensely. These monies will enable you to cater to your family's expenses. You will also use the money you get to enter into other investment plans which will secure your financial future for the better. You will learn how to save and how to use money carefully in dire situations. Family and love. 2020 Vrishabh Rashifal. The year 2020 will be all about singles getting into love relationships when it comes to matters love life. People who are in relationships and those who are married will enjoy love and affection to the fullest. According to the love forecast for Vrishabh Rashifal 2020, singles will have a hard time finding people who love them back at the beginning of the year. In May, they will start attending social gatherings where they will meet many potential partners with almost the same characteristics they possess. By the end of the year, they will have settled on one partner who will become their soulmate. The love relationship will eventually lead to marriage in the future and pregnancy. The elders in the family will be glad about all your hard work and determination that they will be compelled to bless you abundantly. Vrishabh Rashi 2020 Travel Forecast. Traveling is a luxury for you. You do not travel a lot, and when you travel, it must be involving an important thing. Based on the Vrishabh Rashifal 2020, this year you will travel a bit on work-related assignments. The company you work for will finance your traveling and accommodation. Towards the end of the year, you will have saved enough to take your family on vacation in a foreign land. Conclusion. Almost all your dreams will come true this year as predicted by the 2020 Vrishabh Rashifal. Keep on working hard, and you shall reap the fruits of your labor. Do not be discouraged but carry hope with you and everything shall fall into place.